Are you looking to make some extra money and to work from home, but you don't exactly like talking to people on the phone? So you don't really like customer service jobs where you have to be on the phone or where you would have to video chat with customers. Well, if that sounds like you, then I have 6 remote non-phone jobs for you. So in this video, these jobs are going to range from $12 to $65 per hour. Now, if that's something right up your alley, then you are going to want to stay into the very end of this video. As you all know, we talk about all things money in this channel, and as you heard from the intro, we are going to be going over 6 different remote jobs. But the kick is they don't require you to talk on the phone. So everything is going to be pretty much text, email, or just simply computer based. With that being said, I'm not going to take too long. We are going to go ahead and jump right into the information. But before we do that, if you guys could do me a big favor and like this video and also share with me your most recent emoji. This is something fun that we do on this channel so that I can try to interact with as many of you as possible. So here are mine. Now drop yours in the comments below. Okay, we can jump right into the information. So the first website that we're going to go over is called TextKing Factory. So they are looking for a chat operator literally today. So they are looking to hire immediately, and they said that the application only takes a few minutes. Now they do say that your opportunity to work as a chat operator earns an average of an additional $300 weekly. So this might not be something that you are going to do full time, but if you are just looking to make some extra $100, then this is something that you might be interested in as a text chat operator. You will be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. So you will be able to talk to customers about all types of different topics, and you will be assigned different roles depending on what your customers want. Some of the clients talk about everyday life, small tasks, work culture, weather, relationship. Your identity will not be known by these customers. So this is something that is going to be 100% anonymous chat only. No calling and no video. You could work anytime, anywhere for as much as you want, and there are no qualifications necessary. So again, this application is only going to take you a few minutes. You get to be your own boss, work anywhere. You can work part-time, work full-time, and you can get paid weekly. Now, some things that you need to know before applying: you need to be fluent in English, you have to be 18 years or older, you have to have a PC or a laptop. You will be working as a freelancer, meaning that you will be self-employed. Now for our second remote job. This is data annotation tech. This is about coding. Now you don't have to be experienced in coding in order to work here, because they actually train you on how to code. They also pay $20 upward per hour. To do tasks, earn money, and it's simple as that. You are going to create your account. They are currently accepting folks from the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand, and Australia. If you are outside of these countries, they still welcome you to create an account because they may open up new position in the future. You are going to take an assessment, and then you will be ready to start earning. So there's flexible hours. You can work from anywhere. They give you free training. You can choose the project that you wish to do. You don't have to have any AI experience, because again, they are going to train you, in the kind of project that you might work on are going to be survey style work, interacting with chat box, creative writing tasks, and much more. They are not looking for anybody with any specific background, but they are seeking individuals who have excellent writing and critical reasoning abilities. So now we are going to move on to our next website. This website is called TextKing, and it is texting to earn. So this is another job that has immediate opening for text chat operators and phone operators. So as a text chat operator or moderator, your job is to process and screen user-generated messages by means of content moderation. So you are required to type at least 25 words per minute. To be honest, I don't know what that means, reacting to text message sent by client. This is an easy communicating position, and you'll be working from home. The messages we answer on our platform are casual or erotic text messages. This position allows you to interact with customers via the social web community that you can access from your laptops, desktop, or your phone. Now you do have to be at least 18 years or older with a valid ID. So this particular job pays from a range of $15 to $24 per hour. Of talk time payments are issued weekly or monthly basis depending on the project, and they pay bonuses to their top phone operators. But if you want to apply, you can click here to apply and you can see the different jobs that they have available here. So now let's go over to job number 4. Now this is going to be an administrative job that is fully remote and it's paying $25, $32, even $38 an hour. So this company's name is Beacon Hill and they are looking for a research analyst, office coordinator, data entry specialist and more like this who are seeking remote opportunities on contract. I have to give you a fair alert as some of these jobs that I am going to be showing you in this video might not be available within the next couple of weeks because the role might be fulfilled, especially once people from here start applying. These are remote jobs that are always hiring to ways that you can start creating passive income. Okay, now let's jump onto the website number 5. Now this is going to be another data entry job and the company's name is ABC Legal. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about what they are looking for. So they are looking for someone who is going to review and file legal documents utilizing online platforms and tools developed by ABC Legal. This role will work closely with the e-fulfillment and e-filing team to collaborate on projects and resolve issues as they arise and meet common goals. So some key responsibilities: review and file legal documents, participate in ongoing training to expand your knowledge of the industry, investigate discrepancies as they arise and complete additional project as assigned. So they are not looking for anybody with any particular experience, but if you have data entry experience, that's going to be a plus. They are also looking for someone data entry specialist and this position is full-time and remote with comprehensive medical, dental and vision coverage, retirement plan with 5% matching, 10 paid holidays per year, referral programs, and also their starting pay is $12 to $14 an hour. If you are interested, just go ahead and fill out the form and submit your application. Next we have Welocalize. It offers innovative language services to help global brands reach audience around the world in more than 250 languages. In this digital era, Welocalize recognizes the true value of freelance talent and is proud to have established a strong, growing community of partners who are crucial toward the global success. You can check out various remote jobs on Welocalize platform. These jobs are available for worldwide freelancers who want to work remotely. Let's check out this research content writer job, which requirements are linguistic competency in English and must be located in US, experience in journalism, editing and copywriting, with proven capability to create written content in line with set guidelines, also proficient in developing well-organized paragraph and comprehensive content, sharp attention to detail with a dedication to elevating content quality, with some specific university degrees are mentioned here, also expert in technical writing tasks, and few more. They're offering $25 an hour with some other benefits like paid sick time, employee assistance programs. So if you are interested in any of these remote jobs, just apply them before it's too late. I hope you like this video. Take care guys and I'll catch you all in the next video.